What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Anthony the Handyman back with another video. See, I got my mic on for the first time. I hope it's working good. I'm packing up. It's Monday morning. I'm packing up, getting ready for the day. I actually got a doctor appointment in half an hour first. Then I'm gonna go try to finish this dock up. I'm gonna check back in with y'all in a second, man. Good morning, guys. So I'm locked and loaded and ready to go. On my way to a doctor appointment. Of course, you know I'm going to get my Starbucks right now. Hope everybody had a good weekend, a blessed weekend. I want to thank everybody that subscribed, liked, shared, and commented on my videos. I'm not getting a lot of comments, but I'm getting more views. And I've gotten like 10 more subscribers again, and I appreciate y'all, man. It really means a lot. And if you haven't, man, stop what you're doing, like, share, subscribe, turn on all post notifications. You know when Anthony the Handyman is dropping another video. So like I said, guys, today I'm gonna go try to finish up this dock. I'm not sure if my brother's gonna come help me or not. He asked me last night, and I told him I'll let him know this morning because I knew I had a doctor's appointment. So, but I should get out of the doctor's appointment roughly about 10 o'clock. It's at my appointment's for 9, but just a checkup, you guys, nothing to worry about. But again, I'm gonna go try to finish up this dock, and I got like 4 estimates I need to do from over the weekend and 2 I had from last week that I talked to about in my last video. So sometime this week, probably tomorrow, I'm gonna try to handle them. Hopefully I get this dock done today. Cross fingers, everybody. But I'm gonna take you all along for the ride of finishing this dock up, and I'll catch y'all back in a little bit. Peace. So I just left the doctor, everybody. Everything seems good. I gotta get some blood work done though. Some annual blood work because I had some like blood pressure issues a while ago, and sometimes when I go in, my blood pressure is up when they check it, and my pulse, my heart beats up sometimes like around 90 or 100, which is high. It's usually when I go in after I drink my Starbucks, my espressos, it's usually high, but it used to be like that a lot. I don't know from the weight I've gained, because I was at like 205. Which is heavy. Right now I'm probably like 190. But health is wealth, everybody. So you got to go to the doctor. You need to get checkups. You got to make sure you're healthy. You got to make sure. And I was on blood pressure medication and stuff like a year and a half ago, and it was making me feel funny. So I'm the type of person I don't like taking no medication, guys. Like, I hate taking BC powder, aspirin, any of that stuff. So it's like, all that stuff, pharmaceutical companies are not billionaires for no reason. They try to pump all this stuff in your body can do what it's supposed to do on its own. Like, yeah, sometimes there's cases where you need antibiotics and stuff like that, but all that other stuff, man, they try to give you, man. We're like lab rats to the pharmaceutical companies, man. So health is wealth, everybody. Make sure you get checkups, especially us as men. We always try to be tough and stuff and not go to the doctor and stuff. And I used to be the same way up until a couple years ago. And it's good to go to the doctor, guys, and get your checkups. There's insurances that are cheaper out there. Some people get free insurance. So if money is an issue, look around and see different insurances, man. See if you qualify for anything. But health is wealth. But on another note, like, when it's your time, it's your time. So each its own. But health is wealth. Hope everybody's having a blessed day. Like I said, I hope everybody had a blessed weekend and had a good Thanksgiving. Getting ready for the next holidays coming up, which is Christmas. And if y'all don't know, my birthday is on New Year's Eve. So everybody hangs out for my birthday. I am a New Year's Eve baby. I'll be 41 years old. I think I'm doing pretty good for 41. I've seen a lot of my friends and people I grew up with that are in their 40s, 41 that look older than that. So I'm happy that I haven't always took care of myself, but I'm happy I'm taking care of myself these days. I'm picking up my brother now. He's going to help me today. And try to get this dock knocked out, guys. So I'll tap back in with you guys when I'm at the dock. Well, guys, I'm here to look at a pressure washer. If a guy has one for sale, I've been looking for another one, so we're gonna check it out real quick.
Ken.
Anthony. Nice meeting you, buddy.
Nice to see you. I've had that. I bought it brand new. We've had it. We've had 3 different houses. A couple here. We moved up to Kentucky, and I used it.
It's a 3,000 psi.
Huh?
It's a 3,000 psi. I thought it was 3,700 on the thing, but I still look at it.
5 nozzles.
Check it out real quick. And it happened. 3,000.
Anyway, if you look back there, it's all
I'm here to the house, everybody. About to get everything going. Got my brother with me. I just painted all this, and I gotta get some brackets or something. I got some like metal brackets. I gotta bend and put this. It's like that post thing for that holds the it's in there. It holds the water hose. I had to fix all this. I had to spray paint this. Is down here somewhere, but it was all fucking dry rotted. I painted this. This bitch was all nasty. Spray painted this. We have to move this over here. Yeah, that's I don't need to do no more coats on this. This is good. That I got all the aluminum and stuff already bent and stuff that goes all around here. He don't want to replace none of it. I already replaced everything he kind of wants to replace. So just because he just wants to cover it. So we're gonna start taking up these planks, everybody, and then go from there.
We're gonna go one by one, take up these planks. I'm gonna start cutting the wood. We're gonna start laying it back down, guys. Page. Well, there's a chance you can take these other bolts out. The big ones. Yeah. It should come straight up, straight out. It's probably that way worse than what it is up under there. Yeah. So you'll slide that bitch right out. Did you get all screwed out of this one? You got a couple right here. Oh, it's not coming out. Here, let's go slower. There you go. There's one right here. Yeah, there's one down there. Oh, it's smaller, right? Don't worry about it. There you go. Yeah, it should come out of there. It's probably one up under this plate. I guarantee it. Oh, you get flat water.
Cutting the first board, everybody. just gonna cut the lips off the ends because they're kind of bowed up on the edges. So it's kind of a little too fat for this little saw, but it'll work. I had to raise it up a little bit, but what you looking for? Huh?
Like fucking pliers or
Right here. This good?
I see the process, man. Is this started? I hope this is go down there and grab, because I've used this with this stuff before and it fucking don't like to sink good and like go flush. Ooh, that bit's getting hot. Oh. No, it's gonna go. Probably should, you know what I should do? I should have my fucking drill down. I was using it. And put like little power holes. Yeah, I mean, I should have fucking found another fucking drill. Yeah, the other impact fucking burnt up. I know. Diane was using it. I forgot to grab it. Yep. Shit. What do they have one here? Let me ask them real quick. Let me text them. Give me 1 second. Huh? No, well, I have another truck.
Huh? No, I still got to drill. Oh, are the ones out in the middle and everything? No, we still got them in.
yeah.
Okay, I'll get it. This can. Yeah, so yeah, we'll just put a little gap, like we'll just do like that. Yeah, just put a couple in to hold it.
Yeah.
And then we'll go back and do it all. How am I looking at that edge? Am I good still? Huh? Yeah, we can do it like that and just boom, perfect. So, and I'll come down here, put one. Yeah, be good for now, and then we'll go back.
If it's too much off, then fucking when you get to the end, it'll be like this. Now, have kids.
Oh, you mean like pitched?
Yeah. We got fucking.
No, I think it's good.
All right.
Yeah. Let me go get some more boards. Maybe I should, nah, it's good to have it down there. Let's say bring this saw up here so I could cut it and just leave all this trash up here. It's fine down there, it'll be all right. I'm gonna tap back in what you got when I get a little farther, guys. The other ones weren't cracking the edges like that. That one is, some reason. The edges. Yeah, no, the them other screws. I'm gonna try. I want to see what the impact does, though. The impact might not do that. It could just be the way that drill is.
Yeah, I know. So I was thinking. Yeah, just don't crack the edges.
Yeah, this don't, the impact don't crack the edges. But so what we'll do as we're growing, to use all these short ones, we'll just use all we can with the short ones, and then when we come back, we'll do a pilot with that, and then come boop, 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 and put the long ones in. I see it. Give me just give me the hammer.
where's my mom at? She's not working, I mean. Oh, I gotta fucking bring the baby to go see her. He said, why my mom ain't answering the phone? I said, she's probably at work, dummy. It is fucking, where it was, Saturday or whatever it was. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna bring the baby to go see her. That should be no ifs or anything about it. Just gonna man up, fucking be a man. I'm gonna tell the bitch, fuck you, I'm bringing her to see my mom. Just like me.
Chris, I'm trying to make it a little wider because all these are kind of short. All right, guys, y'all see what's going on. Progress is happening. Got a lot more to go. Y'all see how the paint came out the other day. Again, if y'all haven't liked, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you know when Anthony the Handyman is dropping another video. So I done moved the saw up there where the wood's at. I can just pull it out the cage door, cut it right there, so I'm not having to tote an extra 2.5 foot of. Cut about 5 more pieces. It's not going to stay good, Chris. You can't pull on it. The wood might not be as good right there. We're getting there, guys. So, got that to do. And then this. So I'm going to use the pieces I've cut off the long boards for this because the middle is going to be covered up with that lip right there. It comes over it right here. So we're just going to do 25 inches, 25 inches all the way across right there. So what we started doing, guys, we started using a drill bit, and doing pilot holes in them before we put the screws, and they go in a lot easier. You learn as you go, guys. It's coming out nice, though. Has to be blowed off. Yep, so about 4 o'clock Monday.
I'm sure I cut that one. Put that one out down. Yeah, we got screws later.
Here, you think it'll slide perfectly down all the way? Ready? Huh? All right, let's see where we're at. Yeah, I got 2 more measured, but at the finish line, guys, for this part anyway. Well, guys, the dock's done. I'm about to start trying to put this aluminum on and get it done. See it? Looks good. Spacing's all good. Everything's in. We got up under there done. Now I'm about to do this aluminum, guys. Now I'm gonna start trying to put this aluminum in, guys. Man, it'll be all right like that. The only thing is there's a screw that sticks out a little bit right here. Like right here, see it? Oh well. See right there, boom. I'll put it on because you screwed in. You want? Huh? I mean, however, enough to keep it in, like every 13 inches or so. So we're gonna finish this tomorrow. Ooh. We can slide this over there once we get everything out of the way. What's going on, guys? So I almost got done with the dock today. As y'all gonna see in the video that I got like 100 feet, 50 and 50 feet of aluminum side just put on over the wood. Everything else is done. It got dark. I'm exhausted. It's like 6:45 at night. So it'll probably take me 2 hours in the morning, me and my brother 2 hours in the morning to finish up, touch up, put all the knuckles back on where you tie the rope at for the boats, put all the rubber back on for the boat stoppers, the guards that your boat goes up to the dock and stops against, and it'll be done. And had to bring the trailer and put all that wood on it and take it to the dump. And I got like 4 estimates to do tomorrow, so I'm gonna run there in the morning, do that, and when it's time for me to go do the estimates, leave the trailer there, go do my estimates, and then if we ain't done, come back and finish up. But I thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Leave a comment if you see anything that I could have done differently. And if there's anything you want to see me do, or you need questions on something that you're trying to do and you need some question or some answers on how to do something, just put it in the comments or email me. My email's in the description. I appreciate everybody again, man. If you haven't, please stop what you're doing and subscribe, like, share, turn on post notifications so you know when Anthony the Handyman is dropping another video, man. Appreciate y'all, man. Good night. Peace. I'm out.